no, the video you are about to watch was supposed to be a short, and I said, you know what, we're just gonna keep it in this angle and create the video of me getting these items. So continue watching to see exactly what I got. Interior design. My neighbors,
I used to live in a house and I had
into an apartment building. And this used to be a school?
It used to be a school and they left a lot of stuff like the doors, gym floors.
Yeah, oh wow.
The gym floors on floor, we got chalkboards.
Oh wow.
Chalkboards.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Cabinets, aren't they cool?
Yes.
We got so much cabinet space. Look at this shit. We got so much cabinet space.
Oh my
it's so
gosh.
Cool. Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh yeah. I think we're gonna make it work. We're
Yeah.
gonna have to make it work. That's what they look like. I sat in them. They look sturdy. I mean, they feel sturdy. Little wiggle. We should be able to tighten this up, right? And fix this. I'm gonna repaint them and stuff. And this got a little. I guess that's the natural way the wood is or whatever. So yeah. What's that?
It came with an extra arm.
Oh, an extra arm?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. All right, let's.
I don't know. He said he got an extra arm with it, and he gave it to me.
Okay. All right. All right. Let's try to see what we could do with these bad boys.
All right.
I think we should be able to work it out. Yeah. All right. Let me get this door. Oh! It pushes out. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, my gators, let me talk to you because it's gonna go from me pulling these out to showing you what we had to do. It was so much in between. When I tell you I wanted to cry, these things are huge, and I just knew I can get one in the back seat and one should be able to get in the trunk. No, that was not happening. We took the feet off, we did all of the things, and it still was too wide. So now we're gonna jump to showing you that part of the video, but I had to slow it down because I said, listen, by any means necessary, we are going to get these home. So continue watching because y'all missed all of the parts of him having to go get his socket wrench set and taking them off and doing all the things. So, continue watching.
Sonny, get in, get in.
These are really comfy. That's me sitting in one.
A long time ago. What do you call it? This, I'm gonna tack shit up.
All right, guys, we have them on the hood. One is up on the hood, and the other one is in the trunk back there. And all right, let's go. My hand is freezing. It is 52 degrees, and I'm on the highway. So imagine I keep switching hands. It's cold. Cold. Just strapped through, but I think I'm gonna go on here and make sure that, because I feel it squeaking, so I feel like the little thing moved, and I'm gonna put it through so I can hold it in the car like this. Okay, so now I put it through this side and pulled up this. Now I can close these. Good. We are going to, now I got both ends, and I can hold it inside instead of my hands for a second. I had to get out on the highway, but let's go. Things we will do when we find a deal. To my sunroof. Literally, and I have one in the back. My trunk is open, like, yeah, and I'm holding this, and I'm on the highway. I got another 40 minutes to make it home. The guy has this stuff concocted back here. Y'all, do y'all see that? And then I'm holding this. Wow, it's happening. Like, determined. They're coming home with me. Yeah.
Listen, boy, I'm no rowdy shit. Sometimes I have to fight because my mouth too slow.
So let's get this booby trap off of the vehicle. Look at this, y'all. Like, we did all the things. Okay, let me get it off. All right, one part off. Let's get this part off. All right. Okay. All right. top is loose. Get this one I was holding inside. Oh, it's on the other side too. Alright. I gotta put those back in the freaking legs off, and we really didn't have to because we didn't end up putting it in the car. We took them off to put in the car. So one of them, the legs is off. The other one is right here. Look at it, how nice and pretty. Lightly screwing them on with my hands because I gotta get my socket wrench. So I want to just see if they're still off. So I'm lightly going to screw them on my hand just to set them up and get my socket. So I'm going to show you. This is my socket wrench set. And I'm showing this because a lot of times we do videos and we just, I'm not going to say assume, but sometimes I feel like if I'm a how-to or DIY channel and people are looking to get tools and add them to their arsenal, why not share more information on why, what it actually looks like and why it's important. So this is my socket wrench set. And all right, guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to go in depth, tell you how to use them, what ways to put them on and off this the bar mechanism that I'm showing you, because you can tighten and loosen just like a drill. You can go in reverse or you can go the correct way. So I'm going to be sharing with you more tools, how to use the tools, and a great place to buy them at an affordable price or affordable bargain. And I just continue to add to my arsenal, which saves me money by being able to do things myself. The 6/16, and then the bigger one was, hold on, in my pocket, it was 6/16 for the all the major bolts, and then the bigger bolt, it was one bigger one underneath was, just say 17, I don't know, it don't say the actual measurement. So I tightened them up, and now I'm about to get my DIY power wash and clean them up. They look so huge. I was gonna put two on one side, but they're huge. The other one on this side. I probably could. Let's see how it look with two. I just feel like it's gonna be taking up a lot of space. It doesn't look too bad. So here's the thing. Look too bad. This is where they're gonna be anyways, but for now, since I don't have the swing out, I'm going to put them on one on each side, but because that's how it looks. But yeah, for now they're just gonna go here, and I am gonna put some cushions in them later on. I don't know, probably won't be this season, but I'm definitely about to wipe these down. And I do have another arm for this one. He gave me the extra arm, but I do like the rugged look, so I ain't mad at it, and I ain't in a rush. I can still use them currently. So yeah, let me wipe them down, see the difference after I wipe them down. Been cleaned, so I separated them because then it'll be one way in the heat. I'm about to touch up my door real quick, that little piece right there. Y'all, it's Mother's Day, okay? I'm about to go in after this. Yeah, let me touch this door up. All right, they touched up, so let me try to edit this video and get it out to y'all. This feels so amazing, y'all don't even understand. Oh, this feels so amazing. Oh, my home. Look at the other chair, y'all. Yeah, talk to y'all later.